What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on XYO, which has taken a little bit of a drop, just about 2% down in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, and it is currently trading at 0.003568 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping slowly? Is it going to pump anytime soon? Is it worth buying it right now? Is it worth selling it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can XYO go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major. And we have XYO as one of the not top losers, but obviously is on the downside as it is red right now. So in the last hour itself, it has managed to gain 0.1%. Over the last day, just over 1% down. Over the week, nearly 3% down, but we did see a major increase here exactly a week ago, pumping about 25% and then straight away dropping back down. And over the month, there's an overall 13% upward, slow and steady increases in value over the last 4 weeks. But as you can see, it hasn't pumped up too much. It's been quite volatile as well. We have seen red days, green days, up and down. But again, as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And in this case, it is. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 70% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $367,000 in trading. Again, compared to most other cryptocurrencies, the trading volume isn't that much, but again, the fact is that it has gone up 70% in the last 24 hours, meaning we are seeing more people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of XYO, which is here in purple at 0.003653. However, we can see it trading at slightly lower value here in red at 0.003581, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, which is not looking too great, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning it's looking quite positive in this case. So in this case, guys, what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking negative and one's looking positive, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting XYO to be more or less trading around its current price range of where it is at the moment. However, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently staying at its price range. Of course not. It's likely to peak in between, drop in between as well, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more or less on the not positive or negative, but on the neutral side. So fluctuating around 0.0036 cents is what I'm expecting from XYO towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, guys, we've got the blue and the orange line flat out going in a straight line, not looking bullish or bearish. Once again, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, very early next week, essentially XYO should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, but again, nothing too crazy. Potentially at about 0.0037 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles from this point onwards. Just like how it's been over the last couple of weeks, it has been quite volatile, but the overall outcome has been slightly more on the positive side. And that is what I'm expecting from XYO over the next 7 to 8 days as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, quite of a weird one. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. And the orange line is again going in a bearish direction as well, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, late August, early September 2023, XYO should be trading at a slightly lower value. However, my prediction is that it's going to increase in value. Potentially, I'm not saying it's going to hit the 1 cent target, but heading towards there is what I'm expecting. And again, guys, that is of course depending on how the crypto market performs. For example, where Bitcoin stands in the next 2 months. Is it going to drop down to 20k, or is it going to pump up over 35-40k? These things will have a major impact, not just on XYO but the whole crypto market in general. But I'm expecting Bitcoin to pump up over $35,000 over the next 2 to 3 months, meaning XYO should be heading upwards, and most cryptos should be heading towards the positive direction as well. But again, guys, at the end of the day, it's cryptocurrency. It's a very volatile market. Any little news that can come out can have a major positive or negative impact on any cryptocurrency. So that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, over the short term, XYO is more or less likely to trade around its current price range with very minimal dips and peaks in between. But over the next 2 to 3 months, guys, I'm expecting it to increase in value, and potentially hitting the 1 cent target towards the very end of this year is what my predictions are for XYO, again depending on the crypto market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on XYO, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.